Hey everybody, this is Joe Payne with the Santa Maria Recreation and Parks Department, here to give you a follow-up piano lesson to the first one we did, which involved our 5-finger position, where we use each of our fingers one after the other. That's left hand and right hand. And right now we're starting with our thumb on C, and the fingers going up and down. You just let your hands stay stationary and you let each finger take a turn. That's what we covered in the last lesson. This lesson I want to go over chords we can make that use a 5-finger position and help us play a lot of songs. And first is the C major chord. So you can play the C major chord from a 5-finger position by playing C, skipping D, playing E, and then skipping F and playing G. See that? See how these fingers are a little elevated? Now that's C, E, G, C, E, G together. With our left hand, it's pinky, middle finger, thumb. Pinky, middle finger, thumb. You're still skipping the same notes, D and F, but we're using our pinky, middle finger, and thumb to play C, E, and G. Now, we play a lot of chords with our left hands as piano players because we want to give support to our right. So I'm going to show you the C chord and how we can, from this position, move to 2 other chords that are very important. Now, when we shift from C to the F chord, C major to F major, we keep the lowest note the same, C, with our pinky. And we can now, instead of middle finger on E, do pointer finger on F. So basically, this note stays the same, and these two need to come up, 1 note each. E and G move up to F and A, and we're gonna keep our pinky the same, extend our thumb to A, but use our pointer finger on F. When we play piano, most of the stretching of our hand happens between the index finger and the thumb. So when we play the G chord, we keep our thumb on G and we move our pinky and middle finger down to B and D. So basically, the C chord, this is called root position, C, E, G. We can play inversions of these other chords by keeping one note the same, the bottom note for C to F, moving the other 2 up, and then keeping the top note the same and moving the bottom 2 down for G. You want to move back and forth between chords as much as you can to practice. Now, this is important for the left hand to do. Why? Because we can combine what we learned last lesson, that's Twinkle Twinkle, in the 5-finger position, and we can match chords with it, okay? So first we have the C chord. You can play it with the first note, and you want to hold that C chord down and let the melody keep going. So what we have here is the right hand playing the melody with our 5-finger position, and we're changing C chord, F chord, back to C, F chord with the ring finger in the right hand, C chord with the middle finger, pointer finger with the G chord, thumb and C. One more time, C, F, C, F, C, G, C. All right, thanks for listening, everybody. That's the 3 chords we can play in C major on the piano. You do it with your right hand, you do it with your left. But you also use those chords to support a right hand melody. Thanks for watching, everybody, and stay tuned for more.